What's going on, guys? Zeno here, and today I'm back with another video. Today Today I'm going to be showing off my newly printed 3D beyblade. Here it is. It is Drahken 2. First, it's gonna be, I need to come up with a better name for it, but this is Drahken 2. With the new upgrades I made, as you've seen on Valkyries, the core is a little bit more raised and a lot more tighter on it. Has these two blades right here. And yeah, it looks really cool. And I'm actually proud of it because I've been trying to get better at my modeling, but it looks, I guess it, okay, I need to stop that. Okay, it looks really nice and I like it. So the parts for this is, here's double O in the frame, and I made a driver that this little tip right here, if it will, okay, this little tip right here, it's spring loaded, so when it's pushed down it turns into a semi-flat or a flat tip, making it have a counter attack. So these are the parts. Naming stuff is not my forte for stuff. So yeah, I don't have an official name for the parts yet. So here it is all together. So yeah, so I'm going to do some test battles with this, and then we'll see how well it does. Alright, I am back. This says focus. Okay, there we go. So I am back. I got the base set up. It's time to start the battles. So I'm going to put it up against this Hasbro Spriggan. Even though it's probably gonna burst easy. I use this as a test to see if my 3D prints burst. If it can burst this, then it will be okay enough to go against the other. If it can't, then there's something wrong. So let's just get started. Okay, so here's a test launch. So with the tip out, it's more defense, but then with it pushed in, it turns into an attack type. Okay, let's start the battle. Round 1. And it's ready to go against the others. And that blasted all the way over there. Yeah. Decide to blast halfway across the yard. Okay, so next up, I will put it against Genesis Valkyrie, or Valtriac. So, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Drahken's in. Valkyrie is going around, Reboot has kicked in, and Drahken is... Okay. Point to Drahken. Round 2, I will launch Drahken in first. And first finish. Point to Drahken, only have 2 clicks. Okay, so next up I will put it against Blast Genesis. Okay. So 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Go shoot. Steady hits. Put a first finish. Next up, Calzar. Go shoot. Come here. Okay. Let's try that again. Go shoot. Go. Calzar is in. Having some nice hits. Will Calzar be able to beat it? It's going off balance. And with how the layer is, it kind of adds with the LED. That's why I put it on there. So it actually works out. And Calzar was like halfway. Okay, so one more round. Go shoot. Go shoot. Really nice hits from Calzar. Drahken's keeping in. Drahken takes it. Oh, also Drahken does have, Drahken 2 does have the left core, which is right here. I just took a symbol off of Google and slapped it on there, but this is the left core for it. I will show that off after one more Beyblade. So last one will be Slash Valkyrie. So first round, 3, 2, 1, go. Drahken's in. Some nice hits. We'll be able to burst Valkyrie and just spin out. Okay, so next round. Go shoot. Drahken's in. And there we go. First finish. Only one click. Nice. Alright, so I will be right back. I'll switch it to this left core and we'll continue with the battle. Alright, so here's Drahken. If it can focus. Okay, there we go. Here's Drahken in left spin. So let's see. Okay, so let's do a test launch. Again, my launcher is still broken, and I don't know when I can repair it. So I still got to use a Hasbro rope cord launcher. So here we go. So that's Drahken going into the left. Thing is, it kind of hurts more because it has more of the sharper points going left. I mean, it doesn't hurt that much, but okay. So left is going to go against Xeno Excalius. Okay, let me set these up. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. And a double knockout. I will switch it back to right after Xeno because I kind of want it. Actually, no, I can just. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Yep. And knock yourself out. 3, 2, 1. nice. And it's going down to stamina. And Drahken takes that. So that's just where I'm going to end the video for Drahken's big reveal. Overall, it's really good, and compared to the other Drahken, which I will do a battle against, it performs very well. So yeah, so this will be the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, hit that like button and subscribe. I'm starting to feel more comfortable using my voice on YouTube, so that's a plus. So yeah, have a nice day, and again, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and have a fantastic day, guys.